Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTracker.com, and today we're going to break down the zero gravity Corsa windscreen install on our 2018 Kawasaki Ninja 400 STG project bike. Okay, now we're going to do the zero gravity Corsa windscreen install on our Ninja. The packaging, like we showed you, the double bubble, same gig here, right? They've got a protective layer over it. It of course then goes in another bag. This one will use the same rubber washers that go between the motorcycle and the windscreen. Okay. This Corsa windscreen has been really popular for race bikes, and you can see why right now. Look at the bubble this thing gives you. You know, it does have kind of a double bubble effect to it, not as pronounced as their actual double bubble, but a much larger aerodynamic bubble for the rider to get behind. It's available in the clear color that we're showing you right now, light smoke as well as dark smoke. Okay, so lots of options here with zero gravity. Purpose of this video, this is a really easy install. When you're talking internal hex 4mm fasteners, right? Pull both mirrors off. 4 bolts in total. This really is more about what does it actually look like on the motorcycle than it is the install. Pictures are great, but I think the videos go just that extra step further. Okay, now once I take this last bolt off, you want to make sure you're supporting not only the mirror but also the windscreen itself, because once you remove the mirror from the bike, the windscreen's not anchored at all. It could just fall right off, and you really don't want to damage it. You may need it in the future. Okay, like so. That gorgeous thing over to the side. Of course, a windscreen comes with 2 rubber gaskets or washers. We're going to put them right here over these posts. Do the same thing on the double bubble. Okay, really simple. Now, for the installation, you still want to make sure that when you rest it on the bike, okay, the post, there is a little bit of post protruding through still. Okay, just hit the camera because Steve's always getting on me with that camera. You want to make sure that that post does not get trapped in between the windscreen and the mirror. Because if the windscreen's trapped between those two and you put a bunch of torque to it, you're going to pinch the screen between 2 hard surfaces. You could crack it. So it's just one thing you want to be aware of when you're putting it back together. Get everything started by hand. I don't have to worry about holding the screen itself. You know, and it's not too difficult to make sure that those posts come up through the holes, but I do want to make sure you're aware of it before you start the project. Get these started, like so. Then we'll take the T-handle, just kind of run them down flush. I'm not going to put any real torque to them, but I do want to just get them run down. And all the while I'm just trying to remain cognizant of keeping that windscreen on the post properly so there's no pinching. Both sides, just run them down flush. And we'll put some final torque to it. You can already see this is a real improvement, man. A whole lot more bubble here. Just little moves, going to swap back and forth. Even torque. You don't want to just run one fastener all the way down really hard and then go on to the next. You just want to kind of continue to evenly torque them one side to the next. Like so. Super basic job. Like I said, this is more about what does it look like on the bike, and there you go. I mean, that is significantly higher The shape of it, certainly more aerodynamic, looks good on the bike too. There is your zero gravity Corsa windscreen install on our 2018 Kawasaki Ninja 400 STG project bike.